Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to explore exactly how you should be employing the full stop, because it might sound particularly basic, but actually minor errors are going to cost you greatly in the future as a writer, as a student of English. So how do I use the full stop? Well, the rules are pretty simple really. So we use it to indicate the end of a sentence. So here's our example. Today is a great day, full stop. It ends a main clause. A main clause is an idea, a thing that makes sense. Abbreviations, we can also use the full stop to highlight abbreviations. So that essentially is the contraction or the shortening of a word. So for instance, the USA. Remember, if the abbreviations appear at the end of the sentence, you don't need two full stops. So it's really important to remember there. So it might, here is a level of the full stop, which is not as simple as you first thought. So for brackets or parentheses, as a general rule, brackets cannot be used as a sentence on their own. So therefore, the full stop should be used at the end of the full sentence. So here's our example. Today is a great day in the USA because everyone loves Monday. And the full stop, as you can see here, is taking place outside the brackets because the brackets or the parentheses, if you want to call them that, are part of the main sentence. Also, it's key to remember that within the use of speech marks, all punctuation used for speech must go inside the speech mark, and that includes the full stop. So if we were saying it, here's the example, today is a great day. And the punctuation, in this case the full stop, is inside. So although the full stop is quite a simple thing to use in theory, there are a couple of rules that we need to also make sure we keep in mind when we are using it. Thank you. Well done.